Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is September the 13th, 2021, and I am just getting logged in. I was having problems. As you guys know, sometimes this program gives us issues getting logged in. So I'm just getting logged in. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I hope that things are good. Okay, I apologize for the interruptions there. Okay, so we are right here on Workshop 4, The Hunt for Lincoln's Killer. Um, let me make sure, I just want to make sure that we turned in Familiar and also Intend, okay, and we read this. Okay, so what we need to do today, you guys need to look at this, okay, I need you to read this, reread it. Okay, I read it to you last week. You can actually pull up the video and listen to it again if you'd like. But you need to fill out these questions. What crimes does Booth commit in this excerpt? And what is this part of the text mostly about? Okay, and then they want you to underline the most important details on page 196 and 197. Then summarize these 2 pages. Okay. All right, then on React and Write, evaluate which paragraph would make the most interesting movie scene. Why? Okay, and then cite the evidence. So which paragraph would make the most interesting movie scene? Okay, my reasons for choosing this, number 1 and number 2. Okay, so startle means to surprise or shock someone, and lunged means to make a sudden strong move towards someone or something. Okay, this video is extremely short. You'll have a do now for your weekend and goals. You need to reread this and this, answer the questions, okay, and then you will have a do now. For those of you at home, you need to continue to log in, do 15 minutes of student application, and also 15 minutes of independent reading. Okay, for your reading log, just go ahead and write it in a notebook. Okay, and then you can just take a picture of it on Thursday and turn that in. Okay, hope you guys are well. Take care of yourselves, and see you guys soon.